Hi, my name is Elizabeth Griever, and my company is Everson Cooper, and we provide solutions to homeowners that need to sell their house in an as-is condition. And this video series is about what to do when you're selling a house if the owner of the house has passed away. So Texas is a community property state. So what that means is if my husband and I own a house together and I pass away or he passes away, that is where the importance of probating a will comes into play. So in another video series, I talked about how important it is to have a will. It really seriously is so important no matter how old you are or how many things you think you own that are valuable or not. If you own property, you for sure need a will. And if somebody passes away, that will needs to be probated. We have found a lot of times that people have wills and it's either they just have it drafted and they think that's enough, or they have it drafted and it's been notarized and they think that's enough. But the truth is that you have to hire a lawyer and you have to probate that will in order for everything in that will to be done as it is written. Otherwise, you cannot do anything. So if my husband and I own this house together and I pass away and he wants to sell the property, he has to probate my will before he is able to sell it. Like, literally no title company, no lawyer's office, nobody will complete the transaction of him selling that house until that will is probated. So please get your will probated if somebody has passed away. There is one little caveat to that we will talk about in the next video, but it is really crucial to get your will probated if you have somebody that's passed away and you want to sell their property. So please keep tuning in. We will talk in the next video about what that caveat is, and thanks so much for tuning into our series about what to do if you want to sell a house and somebody's passed away. Thanks so much.